Hi all, welcome our some humans. In this short vlog, 22 minus 19, which equals 3 times 22 minus 19, which equals 3. Now we have this problem, 3 times 3, which equals 9. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations we have to work on the parentheses first, then work on multiplication, and at last work on adding and subtraction. So first we do this subtraction, then this multiplication, and at last this subtraction. So we have first this parenthesis 22 minus 19, 3. So we have 22 minus 19 times 3. Now we have one subtraction and one multiplication. We must do this multiplication first, then this subtraction. So 19 times 3, which equals 57. So we have 22 minus 57. So 22 minus 57, which equals minus 35. And this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching. Join the fun by liking and subscribing.